In this video, let us learn WGHO rule. So what is the meaning of W? W stands for where, and G for group by, and H for having, and O, it stands for order by. So this is called the WGHO rule. So it means that whenever we can write a query, we have to follow the WGHO rule approach. It means that if we can write WG, yes, is a valid. So it means after where clause we can use group by clause. If I can write GH, yes, this also valid. After group by, yes, you can use having clause. So now, if I can write HO is totally invalid. What is the purpose? It is invalid. Okay, after having clause, we can't use order by clause. We can't use having clause independently. So that's the reason it's totally invalid. So next one means, so if we can write GHO, it is a valid only. So why it is valid? After group by you can use having clause, and then you can order the records. You can sort the records either ascending or descending. So next one, WO, it is a valid only. So it means after where clause, if you would like to sort the records, yes, you can able to sort it. So next one called WGH. WGH. Yes, it is valid. It's a valid. The reason you can use where clause. After the where clause, you can use group by clause. After the group by clause, you can use having clause. So this is the way you can able to use WGHO rule. See, even the queries contains 100 lines. If you can make sure about whether it is satisfying the WGHO rule. If it is satisfying the WGHO rule, the query is valid. Whether it is providing the appropriate results or some other results, that will be secondary. But query is perfect. So it can be make sure by applying the WGHO rule, we can able to make sure query is valid. So next one, based on true condition, display the records. So next one condition, based on the true condition, display the records. Condition, based on the true condition, we can display the records. So now here we can write a query. Select star from table name where 1 equal to 1. What does it mean? So 1 equal to 1 is true only. So based on the true value, we can able to display the records. We can go to our database, system CLS. Okay, now we can apply select star from DEPT. Yes, we can display the records, all the records from department table. So if I can write the same query where 1 equal to 1. What is the meaning of 1 equal to 1? Say left hand side and right hand side it contains same value, means it is a true. If it is true, yes, we can able to display the record. Suppose if it is false, 1 equal to, it never be a true, then it won't display the records. Suppose if you can display the record, how much means 5 is equal to 5. Yes, left hand side and right hand side it contains same value, it is true. It will display the records. So based on the true condition, we can display the records. And one more thing we can discuss here, that is called as a table alias. So the main purpose of table alias to differentiate column name specific to table name. The main purpose of table alias to differentiate column name specific to table name. Suppose assume if two tables contain same column name. Assume if two tables are having same column name. So in this case, how we can able to make sure? So column is specific on which table? For that purpose, we need to prefer how to make sure the column specific to table. For that purpose, we should use table alias. For that purpose, we should use table alias. Suppose if the multiple table contains same column name, so column versus table name, we need to map, we need to identify. For that purpose, we should use alias. So how to apply the alias? Select d dot department number, d dot dname, d dot loc from department D. So it was displaying the records. The concept is in this way. The alias name which is used on the table name, the same alias we should apply on the column name. So this is the way we can use table alias. And again, the table alias should be always meaningful name. Instead of using A, B, C, D, these kind of names, we should use appropriate names. Thank you.